Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to share with you the project I have done, that is movie recommended system. This project is done by the content based movie recommendation. So here you will get the options for selecting movies. You will get 5000 movie lists here, and it is the real data set. And if you click on this recommendation, it will suggest you the same type of movies. Okay guys, okay, so here is the code, and you can see here is the data set. I used Kaggle Dataset, where you will get 5000 movie data set in the CSV format. So this is the code for the model building, and for deploying the model we have used Streamlit. This is the code. I will provide the code link, the GitHub link in the description. Please check out that if you are interested. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.